Hello, my name is Ben Romaker with 1157 Design Concepts, and I'm going to show you briefly here how to remove a CMOS battery from the motherboard of a computer component. What I have here is the computer component in front of me. These are what are on all of our N2 Trek monitors and displays. You will notice that this is on the side of the monitor, on the left side of some devices, and on the right side of some monitors as well. But the side that you're looking for is the side that has these two thumb screws. You will undo these two thumb screws and pull the computer component out of the monitor. Just slide it on out. And once you have it out, you will see it looking just like this. The side that we need to remove to get to the motherboard is the side that has the hard drive tray. This is what the hard drive tray looks like. It's not typically loose. I've undone the screws on this, so it's all ready to pop off and everything. But there'll be screws around the shield here that you need to unfasten. Important to note that you only need to remove the one screw right here on the hard drive tray. These screws can stay in. These are what fasten the hard drive tray to the tray itself, so you can leave those in, but you need to undo all the other screws and get the hard drive tray to where it's loose and sort of slid out like this. And then once you have all the screws undone, you're going to need a Phillips head, by the way, and a flat head. You can just pop the tray off like I just did there. Be careful to not touch anything on the motherboard. This is the motherboard right here, and it's a little more intimidating than it actually is. We're just looking right here for this little battery here. It's a little puck battery called a CMOS battery, and if you have the replacement handy, you're ready to go ahead and pop this guy out of here. So let me make sure it's focused here. All right. So this is a very simple process. You can see in the back here is a little lever. That's all you really need to do is just push that lever back and it'll release the battery. And again, just be careful not to touch anything else on the motherboard. So there it goes. Looks like it is released. There we go. So it pops up like that. You pop it out. Again, being careful not to touch anything else on the motherboard. Once it's out, get your other battery that you want to put in. It orients the same way. The text should be face up. So there's the text. So you start by putting it in sort of like the back corner, or the corner facing you, I should say. And then you press on the side with the lever, just push it down. Gently does it, and it'll snap into place. You should see the lever is now sort of deployed again and is keeping the battery in place. And that's all there is to it. At that point, then you go ahead and pop the shield back on top of the computer component, and you'll want to screw everything back in place. And once that's done, it's ready to be placed back in your computer, and your CMOS battery should be fixed. When you boot up the computer for the first time, you'll probably have to set the date and time. If you have any other questions about anything you see within the BIOS, let me know. The default key for the BIOS is the delete key. You need to be pressing that unless it automatically shows up. But it should be a pretty self-explanatory process. Again, if you have any questions, you can contact me at 1157 Design Concepts. Our number is area code 937-497-1157. And my extension, if you're trying to get a hold of me, is 111. Thank you for your time. Good luck with everything. Bye now.